Hi there, welcome to our tutorial. Today we'll explore how 123FormBuilder is mobile responsive and how it ensures a seamless experience across all devices. First, we'll create a simple form using 123FormBuilder. I'll start by selecting a contact form template from my saved templates. As you can see, it's straightforward to add different fields to your form, and you can group multiple fields in a single row. Now that we've created our form, let's preview it on a desktop. Notice how the form elements are well organized and easy to navigate. Next, let's see how this form looks on a mobile device. As you can see, 123FormBuilder automatically adjusts the layout to fit smaller screens. The form fields stack vertically, making it easy to fill out on a phone. You can even try landscape mode, and the touch-friendly design ensures that users can easily tap and enter information without any hassle. Let's not forget about tablets. The form looks great on a tablet too. It maintains a clean layout and is just as user-friendly as on a smartphone or desktop. Our mobile responsiveness ensures your forms are accessible and easy to use on any device. This feature is crucial for reaching a wider audience and providing a smooth user experience. Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to try out 123FormBuilder mobile responsive forms for your next project. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.